Okay guys, so we've been factoring for a while now, and in this video, there is a shortcut for when you find yourself with a difference of squares. Now, how do I know when I can use this shortcut? Okay, you're looking to see that both numbers that are in this case the 49 and the 100, are both perfect squares. By perfect squares, I mean like I can take the square root of 49 and get a whole number, 7. I can take the square root of 100, and I can get 10. They are both perfect squares. And remember, the word difference means subtraction. And you can see that there's a minus sign in the middle. Another way you can tell it's a difference of squares problem is that you'll notice in a normal trinomial, ax squared plus bx plus c, there's 3 terms. But in this problem, the bx is missing. You only have the ax squared plus c. That's another good tip off that this is a difference of squares problem. Now, how do I factor this? The shortcut would be, let's go ahead and write our binomials. The shortcut would be to find the square root of both of those numbers. So in this case, the square root of 49 is 7. We found it right here. So each factor is going to be 7x. The reason I know they have both x's is because x times x gives us this x squared. Okay? And then also we know that the square root of 100 is 10. So 10 is going to go into each of these. Now notice both of those binomials look the same. The question is what operation is going to be in each of these binomials. Now to get a negative 100, one of them needs to be a plus and one needs to be a minus. This is called the difference of squares. Okay, that's our final answer. You don't have to use your normal factoring techniques like slide and divide for this one, even though you could. A good way to check your answer is to multiply the middle terms. 10 times 7x is 70x. And 7x times negative 10 is negative 70x. And add those two together. 70 plus negative 70 is 0. That is exactly why we do not have a middle term. There isn't a middle term. It is 0 in this case. Okay, so check, we did that correct. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment.